How are you guys all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually going to the skate park. I went there yesterday, but I never actually really filmed that much of vlogging, so that's what I'm going to focus on today, and hopefully I can record a lot more. Also as well, I have noticed that I need to change this very soon. The same camera angle. I've done this for so long. There's just nowhere else to put the camera when I'm like riding in the bowl, and that's where I ride the most. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch up the camera angles a lot more. I'm so sorry because every single skate park vlog, it's always been the same camera angle, so I really have to change it because I'm getting bored of editing the same stuff. Like the cinematics on the way to the skate park are all the same, so I'm gonna skip straight to the skate park as soon as I get there. But I'm all ready to go. Just need to get my bike out, get my scoot ready, and then we can head out. But I'd really need to switch up the camera angles because I'm kind of getting bored of like editing these vlogs, doing the same stuff. So I really want to switch it up. Alright, so we're now going to the shop because I really need a drink. Had no drink today and haven't been vlogging much because there's so many people at the skate park today, so I can't even ride that much. Now what?
Don't whip.
I can't clear it though. Did you get that?
What are you doing, Finley?
Alright, literally I'm just going to do a chill bar over this.
You're welcome.
I can 360 but I can't clear.
Okay, just 360. What are we doing, guys? What are you doing?
Right. I'm not guaranteeing I'm going to be able to land this bar whip, but I'd try. Wait!
Bradley, give him it! Bradley! Give him. I'm going to hold it.
Okay, guys. Billy's about to do the roller. Really? You can't grind?
Yeah, front brakes yet.
Shut.
Oh! There goes your S6. Yo! So I've just got in and I will be playing some CSGO later. Hopefully my internet isn't really bad like yesterday, like I was playing CSGO and I would just randomly start like lagging through the game. I don't know why this happens. I'm with Sky. I just randomly start lagging and my ping goes to like 700 ping. Like 10 minutes before I played CSGO, my internet was fine. I was watching YouTube videos in like 1080p. But as soon as I play CS, my internet is just really bad. And it's not like I'm doing stuff on the internet. It's not like I'm downloading stuff. No one's on the internet. It's just my computer and me. So it's 9:15 now, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. I've just been watching some YouTube videos. I'm going to go play CSGO with Hayden and Richard. And hopefully just try and get in bed quite early because I do need to fix my sleeping pattern once again for college. But tomorrow, I think I will be going to the skate park again. I do want to start going to more skate parks. It's just, for now, I'm just going to keep riding the same skate park. As soon as I'm, like, all better, my toes fine and stuff, I'll start going to different skate parks. Just bear with me. And hopefully you guys enjoyed something different today. Leo actually filmed some of the stuff that, like, I couldn't have done because he filmed me doing some tricks. So, hopefully you guys did enjoy that. If you want to see any more stuff like that, let me know. Because I reckon that's pretty sick. I've never normally really had someone to film me. Like, I always film everyone else, and then whenever I'm filming myself, I always just put the camera up because I don't really feel like asking people to film for me. I don't know, I just don't like doing that. So hopefully you guys did enjoy something different today. I did try and not film at the bowl, like the same stuff at the skate park. So hopefully you guys did enjoy that as well. But yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys could leave a like on the video and also subscribe, that would be very appreciated. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new daily vlog. Peace. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.